Top 10 herbal drinks to heal your kidneys in 25 days. Are you seeking a natural way to boost your kidney health and purify your body like never before? Imagine if the secret to revitalizing your kidneys and enhancing your overall well-being was right in your garden or local grocery store. Today, we're revealing the top 10 herbal drinks that promise to rejuvenate your kidney health in just 25 days. And trust me, you don't want to miss number 3. It's a game changer that might surprise you. 1. Dandelion tea. Starting our list at number 1 is the often overlooked yet incredibly potent dandelion tea. You might think of dandelions as pesky garden weeds, but they're actually a powerhouse of health benefits, especially for your kidneys. Dandelion tea acts as a natural diuretic, helping your body eliminate excess water and salt through urine. This aids in keeping your kidneys functioning smoothly by flushing out waste more effectively. Additionally, dandelion tea is rich in antioxidants, which combat damage from free radicals and reduce inflammation, beneficial for those with chronic kidney disease. It also helps balance blood sugar levels and improve digestion, making it a holistic health champion. So next time you see a dandelion, consider brewing a cup of tea instead of pulling it out. 2. Nettle leaf tea. At number 2, we have nettle leaf tea. If you've ever brushed against a nettle plant, you'll remember its sting, but nettle leaf is soothing when it comes to health benefits. Nettle leaf tea is rich in vitamins A, C, K, and B, along with minerals like calcium, iron, magnesium, and potassium. These nutrients support kidney function by aiding the filtration process and removing waste from the body. Nettle leaf tea also has natural anti-inflammatory properties, which can reduce inflammation in the kidneys and urinary tract, beneficial for conditions like nephritis. It's a natural diuretic, promoting waste elimination through increased urine production, preventing buildup that can lead to kidney stones. 3. Ginger tea. Number 3 brings us ginger tea, a warm and spicy drink with a long list of health benefits, including kidney health. Ginger tea is renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties, which can soothe inflamed or irritated kidneys. This is crucial for maintaining healthy kidney function, as inflammation can lead to decreased performance and chronic kidney disease over time. Ginger's antioxidants boost the immune system and protect the kidneys from damage. It also helps alleviate nausea and improve digestion, indirectly supporting kidney health by reducing the workload on your kidneys. Drinking ginger tea is a comforting, warming ritual that benefits both your kidneys and overall well-being. 4. Turmeric tea. Number 4 features turmeric tea, the golden child of health drinks. Turmeric isn't just for adding color and flavor to dishes, it's a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant powerhouse. Curcumin, turmeric's active ingredient, protects your kidneys from damage and supports their function by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. Turmeric tea also improves heart health and may protect against heart disease and cancer, important since good kidney health is linked to a strong heart. Enjoying turmeric tea hot or cold, sweetened with honey, or blended with other teas provides a protective boost for your kidneys. 5. Lemon juice. Number 5 is lemon juice, a true classic in health drinks. Lemon juice is a powerful citrus elixir that significantly benefits kidney health. High in vitamin C and antioxidants, lemon juice boosts your immune system and protects your kidneys from oxidative damage. It acts as a natural cleanser for the kidneys, flushing out toxins and potentially dissolving kidney stones due to its citric acid content. Adding fresh lemon juice to your water gives it a refreshing twist and turns it into a kidney-supporting drink, helping to keep your kidneys healthy and prevent stone formation. 6. Cranberry juice. At number 6, we have cranberry juice, an unsung hero for urinary tract and kidney health. Cranberry juice offers unique benefits, primarily preventing urinary tract infections, UTIs, which can lead to kidney issues if recurrent. Cranberries contain compounds that prevent bacteria from adhering to the urinary tract lining. Cranberry juice is packed with antioxidants and nutrients supporting kidney function and health. Its ability to reduce the risk of kidney stones and support toxin elimination makes it vital for kidney health. Opt for pure cranberry juice with no added sugars to reap the maximum benefits. 7. Beetroot juice. Number 7 introduces beetroot juice, a vibrant ruby red drink beneficial for kidney health. Beets are natural detox agents, rich in antioxidants and nitrates that lower blood pressure and enhance blood flow, improving kidney efficiency. The antioxidants, particularly betalains, fight inflammation and oxidative stress, protecting your kidneys from damage. Beets' high fiber content aids digestion, reducing the workload on your kidneys. Beetroot juice's earthy taste might be strong for some, but its benefits make it worth trying. 8. Parsley juice. At number 8, we find parsley juice, a surprising entry for some. Often a garnish, parsley is a kidney cleansing powerhouse. Rich in vitamins A, C, and K, parsley is a natural diuretic, helping the body flush out excess fluid and reducing strain on the kidneys. Drinking parsley juice helps eliminate toxins and keeps kidneys functioning smoothly. It also freshens breath and provides high antioxidant content, supporting overall health. Mixing parsley juice with other juices like apple or cucumber creates a refreshing, health-boosting drink. 9. Green tea. Just missing the top spot at number 9 is green tea, a legendary health beverage. Green tea's high antioxidant content, particularly catechins, prevents cell damage and reduces inflammation, protecting kidneys from chronic disease. Green tea's mild diuretic effect helps kidneys flush out toxins more effectively. It's a healthier alternative to sugary drinks or caffeine-heavy beverages. Whether enjoyed hot or cold, incorporating green tea into your daily routine is a simple yet powerful way to support kidney health. 10. Kidney Cleansing Herbal Tea Blend. Our number 10 is the Kidney Cleansing Herbal Tea Blend. This isn't just a single herb tea, it's a symphony of herbs designed to harmonize and enhance kidney function. Ingredients like hydrangea root, marshmallow root, and gravel root bring their unique benefits. Hydrangea root dissolves kidney stones and improves urinary tract health. Marshmallow root soothes the urinary tract and reduces inflammation, while gravel root helps flush out toxins and prevent stone formation. Combined, these herbs create a powerful drink targeting kidney health from multiple angles. The blend's diuretic properties increase urine flow, reducing the risk of infections and stone formation. The antioxidants protect your kidneys from oxidative stress and damage. Drinking a cup of kidney cleansing herbal tea blend daily is a proactive step toward maintaining healthy kidneys and preventing potential issues. And there you have it, the top 10 herbal drinks to heal your kidneys in 25 days. Incorporating these drinks into your daily routine not only boosts kidney health, but also embraces a natural, holistic approach to overall wellness.